Hey guys, remember that stocks bottom before things get back to positive, okay? It's hard to do when there's a lot of negative news, negative headlines. People think stocks are going to go lower, but that's when you have to slowly dollar cost average if you want to see those good returns later. And it catches people off guard how quickly stocks can bounce back, okay? Because when we're falling, it changes our mindset that we're going to be stuck in this and Trump day after day, right? Frustrating the market, talking about tariffs. And with the Fed meeting, there's a lot of fears out there, and our minds immediately go to the trickle-down effect, right? Oh, okay, if people are losing their jobs, then consumer spending is going to weaken this much, and then we're going to go into a recession, right? So immediately we start thinking the worst, and even like the Atlanta Fed, right, reducing their GDP expectations to negative 2.4% from positive, right, 2 point whatever percent. Do you really think things have changed that much? Now, maybe down the road, we got to see what the data shows. But at the moment, guys, not a whole lot has changed. This sell-off is mostly based on fear and uncertainty. We don't know what the aftermath of these tariffs are going to be. Maybe inflation doesn't go up as high as people think. And that's the thing. If that doesn't happen, then we're going to see stocks recover quickly. And then a short squeeze will eventually happen. So that's why I want a dollar cost average now while we're in this correction, not after, stock short squeeze back higher. Okay. If you want to get the big returns long term, you got to buy a little at a time as stocks are going down. Again, nothing wrong with waiting for a little momentum up, but at some point you got to pull the trigger and dollar cost average, or else you could easily miss that move up, and you don't want to be the person FOMOing in later. Okay. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen this quarter. It may take another quarter, because we know we got to clear through the Fed meeting today. We have to clear through tariffs going into effect April 2nd, and then there could be retaliation tariffs, right? And then Trump coming back and doing higher again. So we got to clear through all that. Then I believe that's when we could start going higher again. And if Trump says anything about tax cuts, that's where I believe a big short squeeze will happen. And so I'm buying now, guys. The Millionaire-Maker stocks are there waiting for you guys. The best of the best, hours and hours of research putting into these big theme names. So if you become a member, you're going to be able to buy these. And all of these right now, guys, are at a great price. And if you do buy, like I said, my agreement to you guys, my deal, if you do not double your money with this portfolio by 2030, and I put down the prices as of yesterday, March 18th, okay? So I can look, and on January 1st, 2030, if our overall portfolio has not doubled, I will pay for your dinner at your favorite restaurant. And like I said, you can unsubscribe from my channel if you want, okay? Don't have to listen to my videos. That's how confident I am in this portfolio. And this is the optimal time to be buying these, again, these big theme names, guys. So look forward to having you aboard. We're going to have a lot of fun on the journey together.